Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the IIYAMA monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust and enable or disable your advanced contrast settings. So, at first we have to click on this button at the back of our monitor, which is called menu, and click it once again. Here we have the advanced contrast, as you can see. We can go to this with the minus and plus button. Here we have to click menu button, and now we can enable that. And as you can see here, we have a warning. It will likely increase the energy consumption. Are you sure you want to select the setting? And with yes, we can enable that setting, and with no, we can disable that setting. As you can see, now we have no options actually here. We can disable that. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.